Time to take the boat back, man. Damn, I could do this for hours, bro. That's everything. I could do this for hours. I've been just floating. I didn't even realize how far I've gone. I gotta be a good mile and a half away. I gotta take this thing back because this young lady was nice enough to let us rent with the last hour. And I know she's ready to get home and whatnot, even though this is my home. But she got the best job. Matter of fact, I'm about to look in how to get it, man. That would be the life. Just renting boats to people. It's challenging right now because I gotta go against the current. You see how, I can't see, but I'm turning. I cannot get the boat to go this direction. It's gonna take me a while to get back over there. I apologize to the young lady. But I was in it. Man, this motherfucker just won't. Okay, let me see if I can spin it this way since you want to spin this way. Yeah, I've been reading a book written by this scientist or biologist, I should say, scientist, biologist. Oh, and she says, which I'm sure a lot of other scientists and just common sense nature folk would agree, being in nature makes you smarter. Like, just being in nature can make you smarter. You feel me? And slow people, non-common sense people gonna be like, huh? That's not true. Yes, it is. But remember, cite the source. That commercial y'all see, girls who fish do better in life. There might be some truth to that. There might be some truth to that. But the people who paid for that commercial is the people, the fishing people. You feel me? So you got to do your own research, because if the fishing people is making a commercial saying, oh, women who fish, they do better in life, they're just trying to up their sales. They did research and found out that not a lot of women are fishing. You see what I'm saying? And guess what? They know women, they spend money on what they want. If a woman supports something, they're going to spend money. Women, regardless of race matters, but regardless of it, women spend money. They got to be one of the biggest, I want to say, frivolous consumers. And don't get mad at me, my sweet ladies. But y'all know what it is. And those who know. And y'all boat people, man, y'all don't be laughing at me, man, because I am still in the same spot. Cannot move for shit right now. This wind and this current is not fucking around. But I'm going to get it. Because I got determination on my creation. Anybody who watched this that sees something I'm doing wrong in my technique, please drop a comment. Because I am still a novice. Here we go. I got turned around. That's all I needed. That's all I needed. You give me an inch, I'm going to take a mile. I ain't get turned around. I need more than an inch in this situation. Oh, it's starting to rain. I'll holler at y'all later.